In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI videos with Google Gemini. We'll move step by step so you can follow along comfortably, even if this is your first time using Gemini. Start by opening your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in and your internet connection is steady, because generating media can take a moment. The interface can change over time, but look for the main prompt box where you can type your request. Next, enter your prompts. Clear, descriptive prompts help Gemini understand exactly what you want. For example, you could write, "Make a video of a busy street." If you already know the mood, time of day, camera movement, or length you want, you can include that in the same line to guide the result, such as, "Make a 10-second video of a busy street at sunset with a smooth panning shot." Specifics like lighting, pacing, or perspective often lead to stronger outputs, but start simple if you prefer. Then press Enter to submit. Give the system a moment to process your request. If your account doesn't yet include access to video generation, you'll see a notice indicating that you need to upgrade to continue this process. That's normal. Some advanced creation features live behind paid plans. When you're ready, click Here. Upgrade your subscription. You'll be taken to the subscription page. Here, select your plan. Take a second to review what each plan includes, like generation limits and available features, so you pick the option that fits your needs. If you produce content frequently, a plan with higher limits may save time later. If you're just testing, a lighter plan may be enough for now. Follow the prompts on your screen and enter your bank details or another payment method you prefer to use. Double-check that the page is secure, your billing information is correct, and the total matches what you selected before you confirm. Completing this step activates the features required for video creation. After your upgrade is confirmed, you can return to the prompt box and continue with your creative request. Keep those prompt writing tips in mind. Clarity, context, and concise detail will help Gemini deliver exactly what you're imagining. That's it. You've opened your Gemini account, entered a clear prompt, and upgraded your subscription so you can move forward with generating AI videos. If the response takes a while, be patient and avoid refreshing the page, since that can interrupt processing. And remember, small prompt tweaks, like changing the time of day or camera angle, can dramatically change the result.